Hello everyone, welcome to episode number 30 of my horror game tutorial series. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to spawn the ghoul whenever we pick up the pistol pickup. So let's go into the play mode and I'm going to show you what we're going to do in game. So open the door. And now if I go to the safe and open it up and grab the pistol, you can see the ghoul spawns, and if I kill him and go to the bathroom, you can see the enemy ghoul model that was inside of here disappeared. So yeah, I will see you after the intro. Okay, so now we're inside of the Unity editor. And let's start by dragging our ghoul where we want him to spawn. So I want my ghoul to spawn in the bathroom. So let's drag him over there. So let's click on this little Y button right there to go to a top view. So I think this is a lot easier to move things in the layout of the level. So select the enemy ghoul and then drag him to the bathroom. And then make sure he is rotated the right way. So in my case he is. So now that he is placed at the right position, open up the pistol pickup script. So now what we're going to do is we make two references. The first reference is going to be a public game object. And I'm going to call this one ghoul. So this is a reference to the actual enemy. So let's actually write that down. So reference to the actual enemy. And now we need to make another one. So this is also going to be a public and it's going to be a game object. And I'm going to call mine ghoul, let's see, world model. Okay, so perhaps you can't remember, but we put an ghoul into the bathtub right here. And what I want to make is if the player is exploring the level and he comes into the bathroom and he sees that there is a dead person inside of the bathtub, and then he sees the ghoul attacking him, and then if he comes back to the bathroom and he sees the person is missing, then he knows the person inside of the bathtub was actually a ghoul which attacked him later. Okay, so let's go there and also write that down. So it's a reference to the world model. Okay, and now what we are going to do is I accidentally, so I tried to record this video before, but before there were like children screaming in the background because it's a nice and sunny day today and they're out playing, and I thought it was annoying, so I tried to re-record and I undid all my steps and I accidentally deleted one line, and this line was pistol.setActive was true. So make sure you have that line. And now we're going to write the lines. It's basically the same thing. The first thing we do is we say ghoul.setActive and we set this one to true. And now we grab the ghoul word model.setActive and we want to set it to false so that it isn't active anymore. Okay, so one last thing. Click on the ghoul and disable it. So click on this checkbox right here, and so that you don't forget that there's actually an enemy, click on this little drop down menu and click on this yellow thing right here. So what that should do is, wait a second, Unity is kinda not working. What the heck is going on? So, enemy ghoul. Okay, so, okay, this isn't working as I wanted it to do, but, okay, so, just forget that one. You have to remember that there is an enemy ghoul right here. Okay, so now let's set up the references. So grab your pistol pickup, it's the one inside of the safe. And now make the reference to the ghoul, so click on this little circle right here. Go to the scenes tab, because we want to grab an object from the scene. And the scene is, so the first thing we need is the enemy ghoul. And the ghoul word model, again go to the scenes folder, or tab, and then grab the ghoul word model and save. And now if I start to play the game and I go to the bathroom, you can see there's no ghoul. And if I have a look at the bathtub, there's the dead person. And now if I walk back to this room and open the safe and grab the pistol, you can see the ghoul has spawned. And let's run into the living room and kill him. So now he's dead. And now if we walk back to the bathroom, you can see the model has actually disappeared, and it looks like the person from the bathtub was the ghoul. Okay, so that's everything for this tutorial. In the next tutorial I'm going to show you how to set up a game over scene. So when the ghoul kills us, we want to switch to game over scene. And yeah, so as always, if you have any further questions, just leave them in the comment section below. I will answer them as soon as I can. And yeah, so I would really appreciate it if you would like and subscribe. And as always, don't forget to smile, and until next time, bye guys.